Hey guys, Eric Sue here. Hope you're doing well. Hey, listen, I got a great new video for you guys, and it's a forehead thermometer, so stay tuned. Alright, you guys, if you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification button so you can get future videos just like this. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. I know you guys will get a lot of value out of this. Alright, so let's get right to it. So today I want to talk about the infrared forehead thermometer, and it's by Thermometer. Okay, so here is the front cover of this unit. Okay, it has a memory for 10 readings. It is infrared, like I said, and it includes 2 alkaline batteries. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. So go ahead and crack the tape. Let's open it up. All right, as you probably know, there is a pandemic going on right now, and it's always a good idea to check the temperature of people who are either coming into your house, or if you're a business maybe and you need to check people's temperatures, what would you use, right? And so what's included? Okay, all right, so you have a extra, okay, this is a I guess advertisement for, let's just say you are wanting to get pregnant. You can get this app, I guess, and you can use it to help monitor your body temperature. Okay, so that's what this little device here is. Okay, that's what this little sheet talks about. Okay, all right, you've got a qualified certificate and an inspection right here. Okay. Alright, and got the instruction manual, so it's all right here. Okay, alright, and the unit itself, it comes into this little packaging here, and the unit is right here. Okay, looks pretty slick, and you can just shoot it right here, and it will tell you on this LCD screen right here. Okay, alright, it comes with a compartment for the batteries right back in here, so just pop it open. There's the batteries. Okay, so 2 alkaline AAA. Okay, so we're gonna pop that back on. Alright, the instructions are pretty simple. All you have to do is click on this button right here. It says on. Okay, and it has, actually what's cool about this is that it has a person and it has an object. That's what this other symbol means. Okay, and so you can select either one of them. So if once you turn it on, it looks something like this. Okay, so push it on, and you can see the digital display. Okay, and then all I have to do is point this, hit the start button, and if you hear that beep, give you a score, and that's it. And then you can do another one right after that within 3 seconds or so. Okay. It's really simple like that. Like I said, it has a memory function. You can record up to 10 temperature recordings, and so that's pretty good if you want to see what the last few temperatures were for yourself or someone. And it has a time at the top as well, so you could see the time that you took it. Okay, and you can also test the temperature of objects if you wanted to. So let's just say I wanted to test the object of this monitor screen that I'm looking down here, or even maybe one of the lights. Maybe I can do that real quick here. Let me see if I can get a temperature of those lights. So I'm going to point to the light. Okay, and it tells me it's 105. Okay, 105.3. Okay, so you can point it to objects, and you basically can see what the temperature of certain things are, which is pretty cool. I think that's pretty a neat feature in this thing. And I think for me, it works well during this time. It's efficient. It's better than putting one of those under your tongue, those thermometers under your tongue or even the elbow. And we have a new baby, so it's really good to test him as well using this infrared system. And we actually did a comparison with the one in the thermometer in your under your tongue and this one here, and they actually came out to be an exact same score, approximately within 0.1. So it's basically the same thing, right? And so I think this is a great tool for anyone who's looking for a quick temperature reading. It's accurate, it's easy to use, it's lightweight. Change the batteries when they go out. You have a on-off button so you can save the battery, and it's really an efficient tool. So highly recommend this if you're looking for a thermometer to test people. If you're a business owner, for example, and you need to test people rapidly, this is a great way to do that. If you're someone who is conscious of people who visit your house, this is also good for that as well. Okay, alright, so that's my review. Hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification button so you can get future videos just like this. I got other videos coming around, so I look forward to talking to you then. Alright, bye.